Two in a man, two in a man. One, two in a one.
What about me can say?
Mama, give me 2 crabs to the man.
This video goes crazy. I've never seen so many people waiting to buy Jamaican line crabs. Like, so many crabs got sold in this video. It was ridiculous. Yo, that day drained me. But I got the chance to meet a lot of you guys, you know, shared conversations, pictures, hugs, and I appreciated the support that you guys have given me throughout the year. Some of you followed like most, if not every video, and that for me is amazing. Now, I did notice I've never kept a meet and greet before, and I think primarily because I don't really like to be the center of attention. YouTube has kind of pulled me out of my shell, you know, to present places, to share my experiences that other people, for some reason, just choose to enjoy. Now, Yardside Street Food reached out to me and they said, hey, we're gonna be keeping something like a crab festival on Labor Day here in Brooklyn, New York. And that's on August 31st on a Saturday. Now, the venue has not been established just yet, but follow us on Instagram. You guys will find out exactly where the venue is. If you want the chance to meet me, to have a conversation, to try a dish that I've tried before, and maybe you could tell me your feedback on it. Do you think it's good? Do you think it's not? Come out to this event. It is going to be amazing. There's going to be crabs. There's going to be peppered shrimp. There's going to be lobster. Most of the Jamaican favorites you can think about, they're going to be at this event. My personal favorite from them is definitely the pepper shrimp. So I'll definitely be out there to see some of you guys, to have the conversations and to have the vibe. And if you want to be in one of my videos, it's going to be the perfect opportunity because I am going to film that experience and share it with the world like I always do. Anyway, we're going to get into today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it and you can see how crazy it was. People trying to get some crabs. All right, guys, welcome back to Soai, and in today's video, it's gonna be my third experience going to the crab spot today. Now, the reason why I'm going back specifically is my cousin left all the way from New Jersey, just to come here to get crabs. I told her specifically, you don't have to wait in line, just wait for me to get there. And the woman got in a line because she just doesn't want to lose the opportunity of you know, getting her crabs. Also, in the previous video, I did see, you know, you guys' comments. You know, some people had some criticisms and stuff like that. I'll definitely voice those things, so you know, it could be an even better experience and we can get more people to come over there and to support them, because one thing I know for sure, the flavors are extremely good. And today I have someone else again who tagged along just because she loves crab. You guys might have seen her from the previous video, so yeah, if you know, you know.
Hey guys!
big crab lover. That's funny how you love crabs. What got you here again? Like, what? Like, why do you just feel for crabs? Like, no, I'm not really a big crab fan like that, but like, you just feel for crab?
No, the crab there tastes really good. It's given Jamaica here a circle, but better. It really tastes good. Mm-hmm. You want that at-home flavor? Definitely stop at this spot.
And why not like an American crab spot? Like,
they don't have, number one, they don't have those type of crabs in America. So it's like, I guess they get them shipped across. And American crab spot are not putting in those type of flavors, you know?
Good point, because you left Jamaica at a very young age, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a very young age. So obviously your palate wasn't, how can I say it? It's not like you grew up eating those crabs like every day, that your palate was just accustomed to that. It's just that the flavors are just good across the board.
But when I visited, I would try the crab all the time, and like my family back in the days would bring up crab, so like I know how the crab's supposed to taste, and this crab is really good. Like, to me, honestly, and I said it before, it tastes better than Hero Circle, but that's my opinion.
My opinion too, completely my opinion as well. All right, so what I'm specifically going there for today is the shrimp. The second time I went there, the shrimp was completely on point, and I love shrimps more than I love crab. I mean, okay, I love crab, but it's so hard to eat, bro. Like, you got to do all this breaking up and biting and chewing. Nah, give me a shrimp, bust off the head. Wow. Why for that, you?
No, the shrimp was really good too.
Still why for that. All right, so we have to walk to get to where we're getting to. We're probably like a block or so away. And at the starting of that video that I did first, I did mention, I never wanted to tell you guys about this spot because I know it's gonna blow up. You know, it's gonna be one of those places where it's gonna be hard for you to get, well, for me, to get crabs. But it is what it is. You know, a lot of people are here, people are double parked. There is a freaking line, bro. You know, I spoke to the owner, I told her, like, yo, I'm coming, and she's like, yo, there's gonna be a line, but you're gonna be good. So, yeah, this is crazy. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm seeing right now. So, we are pulling up, and there is a line here. There is literally a line here. Why is there a line? For crabs. Like there is like a line. A line. Cut. What's up? Hello, how are you? You for crabs? Nice to meet you. That's awesome. What's up? What's up?
I've been kind of tuned in a few times.
Respect. Cuz.
You know, so I want to say, why it takes so long to give people the address?
The address?
Yeah, you know, like, you know,
What's up, Cuz? How are you? How are you? Ati.
Hey!
How are you doing? Oh, hey, how are you?
I watch all the time.
Really? I appreciate it.
Camera, but
Okay, nice to...
of your video, I saw.
Really?
Yes.
That's awesome.
Tuesday.
On Tuesday? Wow.
Yes.
Wow, that's crazy. Yo, you are back again. This is what? Day. Okay. I won't.
Listen on. If I got video, so who don't want it for the video, just step aside, please. No disrespect. But because I am, most I want to know about we today.
That's crazy.
So if you want to do him thing, I'm going to do him thing. No disrespect. So,
guys, I'm gonna up a card. I run my call the bad name. All right. Okay?
can I get a photo?
Oh, sure.
I'm going to be happy to see you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Wow. It's wild, guys. Crabs are out, people. But like I said, and let's just mention, we see the improvements. So for those people who've been talking a bunch of stuff, we see the improvements that have been made. And this is just cool. You need to have, like, get your name on a list, on a line, to be in the line. This is wild. We'll love to see it. Love to see it, guys. Yo, anyway, where my cuz? Well, I forgot right down your order. So Well, why you get the crab? Because are you a special person? I want to see how you enjoy the crab then today, you know. And you make me know about crab as a picnic, you know. You remember, you know, remember one light gone in a Kingston, and you sit down, and I'm here newspaper, everything on the floor. Yeah. All right. Yeah, Michelle, come now, put it on.
The male one, you know, the $30 one. No, man, the one, all of them $30. Yeah, but the woman is 20. The woman, them not big. That's fine. You said they were 20. And, so them here all big one. You want them? Or? Yeah, man, those are females? No, male. No, 8 female and 2 male. The males are bigger. That's fine. No problem. Please do not. No, you want everybody to collect them. Please.
And the come too fast.
Some water. The yam ready? Yeah. Give me the total. Sorry. Hello? Hello?
No more crab than that, pot? Yeah, now I sell bready glass.
Maurice, 9.
Give me the total.
The price is the bready. You want 220 up? No. Put 220 up on the bready. You want some 15 and 20 now?
How much was it? Where's the 140?
Mystical got the shrimp.
You can put one in one separate bag if you want.
How long for the yam?
Oh, they're not ready yet. You just have to do some water for them here? Yeah, man. Like on the crab in there, find out who it's of a turkey, right? Find out who want saltfish and then cook and then stuff like that. Wait and not get them. Use numbers.
Yeah, they definitely have to use numbers.
And give them. Because since one come here early, everything. Yes, you wash up there with their Columbus. Do some pepper paper. Just put it on this.
Just put it extra.
At this point, we take the dirt black crab.
Those two women for do not the phone. Look on the somewhere pin. I look on it. I look on it.
All right, so Houston, we have a problem. Like, right now outside, there's probably at least like 40 people just waiting for crabs, and they're spending like a good deal of money. They're spending nothing less than like $100. I can't capture the entire experience because some people have mentioned that they don't want to be on camera. They just came there to get their crabs, so it's a little bit difficult for me to film it. But people have mentioned that they came out for the authentic Jamaican food. And please, I hope you guys did notice that they are wearing their aprons, they're wearing their gloves. I tell people all the time, give people grace. I love street food, I love street food spots. And the reason why I love them, because I know that it's people who are starting out in life. Like myself, I had to start YouTube from somewhere. So I had to start YouTube from somewhere. I never had every single equipment. Even today's day, I don't have every single equipment. If you look on my shoulder somewhere, you might see a mic. You can hear me quite clearly. Back in the day, I never had a mic. You understand? And they started their business. I'm happy that I was able to help them get a lot more customers coming there, and you've seen the improvement. Everyone has on their gloves, their hairnets, their aprons. So for the people who left good comments, like, you know, positive in a nice and gentle way, thank you so much. For the ones that were a little bit harsh, also thank you. But yeah, there's a way that you can get your points across. All right, cool. Yeah, we are here at the ATM. Georgina want to do like a dozen crabs. 12 times, whatever the number, that's a lot of money. 12 times, a crab now is $20, maybe? I don't even know, man. 12 times 20, that's like, yeah. 12 times 20? You're putting me on the spot here. 120 to 224, 240, I believe. Double check it.
12 times 20. 240, you're correct.
Yay!
Not magician.
Right?
Magician.
All right, so my cousin, same thing. Speaking of money, the next update, make sure that you come with cash. Go to the ATM, draw the cash. The Zelle and the Cash App is not taken at this moment. Reason being, the last time I came wasn't many people. And when we did the Zelle, like sometimes it takes a while for it to show up. They don't have the time to be figuring out if the money gets transferred over or not. So once you have the cash, you're going to get a faster and quicker service until at some point in time they improve that. Maybe they might get a card machine that you can just tap to pay, and that's just the end of it. But for now, it's solely cash, it appears to be.
After the lemon line.
Yeah, man.
After your fault.
So the coolest thing, which I like seeing people's hustle. This guy realized there was a crowd here, and he's just like, yo, he gonna sell some water ice or whatever it is he's selling, because it is hot out here. And yeah, I was just talking to my aunt just now, my aunt Valda, and she was saying to me like, yo, I need to tell them about getting the ticket system and stuff like that. Guys, trust me, I promise you, I know they're seeing their mistakes, because nobody wants to be stressed out selling their food, because trust me, they're under a lot of pressure. If I wasn't here with family, you guys know me, I'd have like put on an apron, put on some gloves, and just start helping them knock some stuff out, because I love to cook. I love seeing money I make. It's just weird. I love seeing money being made, but because I'm trying to like cater to my family, making sure that they can get their food and try to get the orders in, you know, kind of sneakily, because, you know, I did speak to the owner previously and told her that, you know, what I was going to order and stuff like that, but people might feel like I feel like I'm special or something, so I'm trying to cut the line, but that's not what it is. So yeah, that's the vibe. But yeah, even at the start, I probably missed it, where she had said like, yo, this is the guy that helped the business grow this much. If you're scared of the camera, kind of step away to the side so he can whatever. So it's kind of hard for me to film this experience for you guys, because I want to be respectful for those who don't want to be on the camera at the same time. But if I do catch you on the camera by accident, I am so sorry.
Mommy, give me 2 crabs to the man.
The king for you. Give me 2 bags. Give me 2 bags. We're not going to get bun in there?
Yeah, give me bun and then again my share.
Hold on.
Chrissy,
are you come across a woman?
Yeah, nice.
Why you have to come on the business? They come invite me right there. Just make sure it's not sell off.
This is 225, 225.
Mommy, give me the one that
Chrissy,
Mommy.
I bleach you.
Here, mommy, give me the one that mommy go. Please, give me the one there, please. $30 one. Give me the one there. Yeah. Mommy go. Just slap some foot in that. Mommy go, please. Catching them again. Just slap some foot. How much for the money? They say make them go funny fire.
Chrissy, give me that one there, Chrissy.
What are you taking for?
320 420 money. That lady are allowed.
Oh, why you just get all of them? How was the fish?
Oh, you know, said this was a fish.
What on there?
Oh, you know, said this was a fish.
Because mystique. When anybody look at this video can't tell that was a fish. Boy.
Yes, Chrissy, I go on with yourself. Yeah, man.
The fish was good?
Yeah, man. It was good.
Fish was good?
Yeah. I like the seasoning.
You like the seasoning?
Yeah, man.
Trust me. And this is despite you waiting how long were you been waiting?
I'm cool.
Like you waited like 2 hours?
2 hours, cause it's what time now? I'm here since 11:30.
11:30.
And it's now after 4. Yeah.
Wow. Yep.
So that's what's up.
Auntie. The first I'm gonna put on my video. Guys, this is my favorite aunt. Like, yeah. I know Kingston because of that woman, yeah. So you hear me chat good answer? Yeah. How is this
You mean the roast yam?
the roast yam and stuff? Yeah.
Can go on.
Good? Awesome. And the soup, how was the soup?
The soup was okay.
Alright, nice.
The soup was okay. Yes.
Yeah, man, do that, man.
Some kind of crab water. I fight, I want to fight you like Kavel say, a thumping in your back. That I want to do to you, you didn't even know. How you feel though with so much people like being out here? It's stressful, huh?
Very hectic.
Very hectic. So,
very hectic. It's like, I don't know what to do. And then cost me.
just with the deal with your bad.
Who no left and come back and thing. No.
But we know by next week you come back again, different style, upgrade as normal.
Every week we learn
Something new.
Every week we learn. Like last week, not last week, like yesterday.
Yeah.
Yesterday? Or day before yesterday. When you post and then beat me.
Yeah, you learn.
Then beat me with my gloves, you know. And then learn. Look at the whole of my work and them
The gloves, facts.
When they beat me, not even give me a chance. Just to rub me stuff. But me learn. Eh? What you want for drink? See beer right there, so let's take a one.
Yeah, this makes some good sense here. Some boiled corn.
Because of you, I'm here, you know.
Really?
Yes, carry on, bro. Yeah.
You want to put on the video, afraid? Everybody.
No, I can go on the video.
Me love you, 'cause everybody else afraid.
People, I am here, Carrie Ambra Music Promotions. I am right here by the crab spot in Brooklyn.
Yeah?
You know, guys, who brought me here? Soai. Let me come out here from Queens, New York, guys.
Wow.
All the way from
Queens.
In a one taxi, guys, we come out here for the crab, yeah, and the roast yam and the salt fish.
We love it.
Yeah, so big up to Soai Vlogs, yeah, straight from Jamaica to where Brooklyn, New York, guys. Carrie and Brown said that, yeah.
Yo, respect, Carrie.
Yeah, big up to Soai.
I have a taxi driver now, but I'm gonna pay him and let him go because I don't know how long he's going to take here. And it's a long line. You came back out today, Soai.
Come here, Chrissy, let me help you.
Do, make we get for a first drop. No. We have crabs for her.
Yeah, but I wanted one large crab.
Guys, as soon as the pot came out, like the line just got crazy again. Like people came from everywhere just to get these crabs. These crabs sell out in like minutes.
Yeah, if you see how it look for me.
Yes, probably $220.
I thought the line pulled down.
So much people, right?
Yeah, I thought the line pulled down. I lie fans that you know the man over the sun. Yeah, watch your
May I spoon, please?
Come on, watch your food, girl. If you have to the bottom, you can
I get some more fish, right? The fish gone? That's about how long? We'll put it down. This is crazy.
All of them come after me. I guess you're special, huh?
Where's Cookphone then? But you don't want to say anything.
Yeah. Are your fans do?
Look. Over here, Paul. Come over here.
Hey, wait before we call the crowd and me get my crowd. Wait there before the crowd come down.
Come over here.
Or
No, not $4.
Oh, $230 she did one.
I will send you my review.
Want the crab? Yeah.
I will video and send you my review. Oh, where's my lady friend from Connecticut? Ready? Was she there? I hope she gets her crab, man.
You're Chrissy now. Hold on. Let's tell her. You don't realize it. You tell her.
I thought the line pulled down.
So much people, right?
Yeah, I thought the line pulled down, man.
Shut up.
This is crazy.
All of them come after me. I guess you're special, huh?
No more crab now. All this stuff. All this, we got show you. She have a garbage bag right there.
Oh my God.
You don't know me at all, but everybody know you when you're the price.
Right?
Right, everybody know. We still don't know something funny, the profile. look by the day when they come, eh?
Right?
It's a pleasure to see you, though.
I'm glad to have met
How long have you been up here?
3 months and a while. 3 months and a while, yeah.
A long time, you know. So where were you before?
I was in DR, then in Colombia. Yeah.
Don't you love us?
Right? Yeah. Right?
With life later.
Trust me.
Are you a video, Mr. No? I want to see a video and say, no.
You can't take it to the place where they don't take the flag.
Right?
That's what they love about us.
Yeah. All right, bye. Yeah, forgive my cousin Alec. Right now, a tour. One of them crab toes.
Boy. What's your name?
Yeah, it's cooked right here.
That is some water in it.
Right?
Need some water?
Yeah, I put no water in that one.
Right, what I want.
But you got a big crab though.
On the stove.
Forget it's a family challenge.
Huh? Oh, Papa. Nice.
The last time I heard you said the crab was sweet. For real. It was so sweet. Even though no water, it's juicy. I don't know.
It's good.
I don't know what the guy named. They were there seeing me and said, that guy did.
Official. From you say it official because you don't know about crab.
You know, she'll see me again. It's just a taste of the Jamaican.
Yeah, it's different.
It tastes different from any other crab.
Yeah.
The taste of Jamaican.
The crab.
Just different. Hook up and she do it the right way, hook up everything. All good. My God.
Alright guys, today drained me. I kid you not, today drained me. I was supposed to do like 2 videos today because I thought it's gonna be like a pick up and go type of thing. I did say in the start of that video, I was just like, yo, a lot of people are gonna come. But unfortunately, you know, I think they weren't quite ready. They probably never thought that so many people would have come to the restaurant or to the street food spot today. However, Chrissy did make mentions that, you know, next week they are going to be ready or better prepared for that. And that's just business in general. There's a lot of things that I personally could suggest that could make things smoother. But a part of me also, I don't like overstepping my bounds. I just like going, filming, seeing what I have to see. And if you ask me for my suggestions, then I'll definitely give it to you. Anyhow, great experience overall, because what I like about going back to a place that I recorded was I get to meet a lot of you guys. How many people did I see today?
A lot.
Like
A lot.
a lot of people I saw today.
Literally almost everybody on the line was like, I saw your video and I'm here today because of you. So.
Exactly. So that was a good experience for me. Got to give out a lot of hugs and meet a lot of you guys in person, took a lot of pictures, and that for me is a very humbling experience. And what I appreciated the most, I had the soup. That's the only thing I had. I really came back for the shrimp, but I had the soup, and the soup was amazing. I was a little bit concerned that the food would be watered down because there's so much people there, but they stayed on point. I had a piece of my cousin's fish. It was cold. I'm very frank with my reviews. It was cold, but it tasted like a good escovitch fried fish. Nice, dry. The flavors were on point, if you ask me. And you guys know I'm not really a big fan of fish, but it was really, really, really good. I wish I got to have my shrimp, because the second time I came there, the shrimp was just amazing. Let me tell you, I don't play with food. If I tell you the food is good, it is good. So big up to them. I hope they have a lot more successes, and I hope whenever I'm back in, I'll probably give it to like next year. It don't matter who tell me like they want to come try crab with me. Today drained me, yo. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember, things, love, nature, and adaptation.
Bye.
And big up to my driver, my Uber.
Uber. I'm Soai, Uber.
Georgie, poor G, put it in pie. Catch you next one.